I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. My name is Targaye Nicole, and thank you for stopping by my channel today. On this channel, we do planner related videos, budgeting videos, Etsy new releases, Poshmark. We do challenges. We just added some weight loss updates and what I eat on here as well. So if any of that interests you, please consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget, if you're subscribed but not seeing my videos, hit the notification bell down in the bottom there, please, and thank you. All right, so today's video is going to be my cash stuffing envelope. We love our cash stuffing envelope, and I have this out because this is my bi-weekly budget, and I write in my stuff that I'm stuffing over here just to get it all cleared out and done with. So we are changing things today, which is new. Yeah. I was gonna wait till August actually hit, but this check pretty much brings us into August, so I figured we'd go ahead and try to do that. So let's get our money out. This is what I've been carrying my money in now. Well, I haven't had any money, so I've been carrying my money in correction. I've been carrying my money in this. I'm going to be switching over to this. So let's empty this out first. This shouldn't take super long. I am going to keep this though, because the laundry change for the laundry works really well in there. I did do laundry, so there is no money in the laundry bag except for like $1.50. So we'll be adding to that. Now, I was carrying all the rest of the envelopes in here because it had a bigger opening, but I'm no longer doing the envelopes for right now. This is just an Aldi receipt. We don't need that anymore. Allowance, you guys know that I do online, but I'm actually considering putting it half and half, like putting $30 online in the checking account and $30 in cash. So that's something to think about. And then gas, there's nothing left in gas. All of these I think are empty. Oh, put that quarter back. We got $1.75. And then groceries, we're gonna take the cards out, but there's nothing in there. And giving, there is nothing in there. Oh, another quarter. Got $2. So this is my note from my beautiful budgeting D, which I love, who sent me the things that I'm about to. This says I owe allowance, owes self-care, because this should have had $9. And I'm gonna take the card out there because there's nothing, but for some reason I dropped a penny, so there was 2 cents in there. And my change purse I don't have with me right now, so I'll put that in there later. And that's it. We're gonna keep these two because this one stays home for my bulk orders, and this one is just stays home for the savings challenge. And we have another one for savings challenge that we just don't pull that out until we're recounting. So this is what I'm gonna start carrying my money in. This is a Havana Central receipt. I went there with my girlfriend. I actually went there twice this week, but you guys will see that on my food vlog. And I have my shipped card here, my regular debit card, and my credit card, which is just there for emergencies, and then my ID, which I'm going to move up one. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my Costco card in and my ShopRite card in. There's no space for my poor wellness card, so I'm just going to put it in front of the credit card since I don't really use the credit card like that. So we shouldn't even see it. So, and then there's a rubber band in there. Okay. So this is the money I got from the bank. And that was just in this little slot. And then here are the new dividers I'm going to be using in this purse to put money in. So let's do that. Let's get the money set up. Let's get the area cleared out so we can have our money set up. These are just the receipts from the bank because I'll explain to you when I'm done, when I put it out. So my lady's usually pretty good about putting the money the way I want it. And this is my envelopes. And I did make them. I just haven't put them on Etsy. I'm debating whether I want to put them on Etsy or if I just want to sell them like through Instagram and I just mail them because they're light. I could just put a 60-cent stamp on it, 50-cent stamp on it. So let me know if you're interested in that. I needed $225 from my regular account, and then I also needed $60 from my YouTube account. So that's why there were 2 different slips from 2 different bank accounts. The YouTube money is going to come out for the savings challenge. I had $80 in there. It was $100, $20 from tax, and then $80 left. I left $20 because I actually do need supplies, and then I took $60 to go towards our savings challenge. All right, enough talking. So this is this extra $60 from the YouTube account, which I asked for a 50 and a 10, so that's right. And then I asked for 8 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 20s. I asked for 6 10s. Maybe I should bring you guys in a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I asked for 1 5. Boom, done, finished, and that's $225. The other 60 went into my allowance directly through a transfer that I set up. So let's get into what we need to pay. I'm loving this color combo this month. So groceries, actually I'm going to do it in the order that the sheets are in. So the first thing on here is self-care. Self-care gets $20. So that's easy. $20 self-care, $20, and then I'm gonna flip it like that. Self-care. Then the next one is giving. I made these little see-through stickers. I'm pretty proud of myself. $20 and $20. Giving. Flip it over. Boom. Then we have laundry, which I don't know why I made a laundry thing. I'm gonna do it this way because I like this thing. So laundry gets 15, and so what I'll do is I'm gonna keep the clear plastic one for the clear plastic bin for when I actually get change, but I'm gonna leave the dollar bills in the slot. So 15, I just did a 10 and I did a 5, and that will be for laundry. And we're gonna flip that. And then for groceries, which is next, we have $70. And that's gonna be 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. 20, 40, 50, 60, $70 for groceries. Flip that. And then last but not least, we have gas. And that is $60. Well, that's not last. Lies. And that's 20, 40, 50, 60. 20, 40, 50, 60. And that is gasolina. Okay. And then we have toiletries, which is 20. Oh, why did I write that like that? That's 20. And our toiletries, like I said, stays home. And I actually decided to add a little register. You guys know I used to make these. This is just one that's paper. And the deposit for $726 check, which is this check, is an additional $20, which should bring us up to $80 in this envelope. And if you don't know, what I do is I buy everything in bulk and then I keep collecting money until it's time to buy it again. 20, 40, 60, and then another 20 for 80. Now, I am going to, the reason I decided to do the register was not only to keep on track of these things, but also because I just realized I need contact solution and maybe more feminine hygiene product. And I was like, I don't want to take it out any other categories. This is what this is here for. So I might take this out the house today, pick those things up, and then I'll write on the next line how much I deducted from there. And everything else, though, that I bought in bulk has been working out really well. I still have an abundant amount of it. However, I did not do the contact solution in bulk because my plan was to buy glasses by now. However, my car keeps using my entire sinking fund up, and that is why I don't have it. So $60 was transferred over into my debit card, so that is fine. So we have a total of $265. So this section is done and clear. Now, we also picked up, the reason we have an additional 20 here is for the $20 from the savings challenge. And the savings challenge money is here. There's currently $23 30, 31, 32. I'm thinking about adding a register to this one as well. This is 32, and then this is another 20 added, so we have 52. Then I went ahead and took the YouTube money, and like I said, took $60 from that. So I'm also gonna add this to the saving challenge. All right, we'll do a final count at the end of August and the end of the month. So that's what we have right now. I do have Poshmark money that I'm going to transfer over today that I'm going to add to this. I don't think I'm just going to do a video for that. But that's why I'm going to add a register, so I can explain that when it's time. However, that is it, guys. That's all my envelope stuff. Let me go ahead and put my little dividers in. I'll let you guys know how I'm liking the dividers. If they work better than cash envelopes for me. I just wanted to try something new, and I just stick them in there like that. They fit perfectly, and then I take my little thing, and more than likely I will clean that off as well, just to have it fresh for next time. And that fits in there too. A little thick, but it does fit. Like, it closes, so does it close? Yeah, it closes, and it's fine. And then I stick that into my bag. And I want to see if I can get that off. But yeah, and I might be changing this out. This is just what I had at the time, and I've been using that for the week. And then, like I said, this will be laundry. But that's it, guys. That is all we have today for today's cash stuffing. We're a little behind on the saving challenge, but I think we're gonna have like an additional 100 from Poshmark, so that'll bring us up a little bit. So we might not get to the 335, but we're gonna get ding dang close, okay? Unless we have an issue. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, guys, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. Have a wonderful, blessed day, guys.